A very good morning to everyone. Miss Rita here. Children, in today's video of class 9 geometry, we are going to see chapter number 6 circle practice set number 6.2. Children, important property. Congruent chord of a circle are equidistant from the center of a circle. Means congruent chord. Here chord is AB and CD. They both are congruent and they are equidistant from the center. Means the distance between the chord and center is given O. So ON is equal to OM. This is the property number 1. Chord AB is congruent to chord CD. Then we can say the distance between center and chord is equal. It means OM is equal to ON. The important points of a circle. Congruent chord of a circle are equidistant from the center of the circle. The chord equidistant from the center of a circle, then we can say the chord is also congruent. Now let's start with the practice set number 6.2. The question number 1 is given. Radius of circle is given 10 cm. There are two chords of the length 16 cm each. What will be the distance of this chord from the center of the circle? So children, solution is AB and CD are the congruent chord on the circle with the center O. So here AB is 16 cm and CD is also 16 cm and AO is the radius of the circle is 10 cm. So segment OM is perpendicular to chord AB. Segment ON perpendicular to the chord CD. The property is the perpendicular bisector drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisect the chord. So here ON is a perpendicular on chord CD and OM is perpendicular on chord AB. So they bisect the chord. It means AM is the half of AB. Substitute the value of AB is 16 cm. So 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16. Therefore AM is how much? 8 cm. Same way BM is also 8 cm. Now OMA is 90 degree because OM perpendicular to the chord AB. So in right angle triangle OMA by Pythagoras theorem, the hypo is which? AO. Square of AO equal to square of OM plus square of AM. Substitute the value of OA and AM. Square of 10 is 100 and square of 8 is 64. Now 64 will go to the left side, become minus. So 100 minus 64 is how much, student? 36. So square root of 36 is how much? 6. So the congruent chord are equidistant from the center of the circle. It means ON is also 6 cm because OM is equal to ON. Now children, the distance of the given chord from the center of the circle is how much? 6 cm. Now question number 2. In a circle with the radius 13 cm, two equal chords are at the distance of 5 cm from the center. Here what it is given, student? The distance between chord and center is 5 cm. Find the length of the chord. Solution. O is the center of the circle and AB equal to CD is given and OA, that is the radius, is given 13 cm and distance between the center and chord is 5 cm. Here OM is perpendicular to the chord AB and ON is perpendicular to the chord CD. Both are 5 cm. Now angle OMA is 90 degree. So in right angle triangle of triangle OMA by Pythagoras theorem, square of OA equal to square of OM plus square of AM. Substitute the value of OA is 13 and OM is given 5. Square of 13 is how much? 169 and square of 5 is 25 plus square of AM. Now 25 will minus from 169. How much is left? 144. And square root of 144 is how much, student? Yes, 12. Therefore, AM is how much? 12 centimeter. So here we got AM is 12 centimeter. Now we have to find the length of AB. Therefore, perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisect the chord. It means the value of AB is the 2 times of AM. Here we can do AM equal to half of AB. Substitute the value of AM is 12 we got and half of AB. Now 2 is given in the denominator. It will go to the left side, become multiply. 12 to how much, student? 24. Therefore the length of AB is 24 centimeter. But both the chord are congruent. Chord AB and is congruent to chord CD. Therefore CD is also 24 centimeter. Very good. The length of each of the two equal chord of the circle is 24 centimeter. I hope you have understood this practice set number 6.2. Thank you for watching this video.